If you are a credit repair business owner, watch the entire video if you want to get mentored by me. I'm not saying you have to get mentored by me, but if you want to get mentored by me, watch the entire video. I don't know how many times I have to make it make sense, but we're gonna hopefully make it make sense in today's video, right? So I spoke with a poor credit repair business owner. When I say poor, I'm talking about passing over opportunities repeatedly, right? So my goal today is to make it make sense. We have to make it make sense if you want to work with me to help your business. I didn't come directly to you and say, come do mentorship. I put these videos out for my ideal people. All the people you see on my channel, they didn't give me problems. They didn't say, oh, it's too expensive. They didn't say all this. We gonna break it down. Hopefully this video makes sense for you. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my company's time. Poor people like wasting their own time. If you're poor and you're watching this, then go waste someone else's time. So this poor credit repair business owner that booked a call for mentorship makes less than 10K a month, right? And that's going to be mostly y'all with your credit repair business, and that's not my issue though, right? That's not my issue. I was once there, when I was working my 9 to 5. I hit my first 10K month when I was working my 9 to 5. Eventually, I left in 2022, right? So that's not my issue. I'm going to talk about my issue, and I'm doing this video. I'm hoping that you see. We might even put this in like the pre-call thing, right? Just so we prevent issues. Because when we put stuff on YouTube, any and everybody can get access to it. There's a lot of people with weird mindsets and everything, just thinking everything's going to be little money and they want to make the most amount of money in the world, right? So this is a nurturing video, continuing to talk to my ideal clients. I like working with people that have a rich mindset, people that invest in themselves. I like working with people that are like me, right? So my issue is when y'all do not live in reality. Y'all are saying you want to make 100K a month, but then investing money is too much. You know what I'm saying? 100K a month is recurring. So that's why we ask certain questions on our thing. But let me even, before we continue the video, let me just show y'all some receipts so y'all know like I'm someone you should be listening to. Right. So you see right here, my client Doc Davis. He didn't have a stupid mindset, a poor mindset. He came to me. He was already doing credit repair. He had some results and everything, but he wanted to add funding to his business. This is what I help credit repair business owners do. I help them add funding, right? And we do a system. You just need one client. Once you get that one client rolling, you're gonna be able to be making a lot of money once you adopt a system that I teach privately. He went on to make over $5,000 his first month doing funding, just from doing what I was saying. And this isn't he didn't even fully do what I'm talking about in my private program, right? So he made 3,200 just from doing what I said. You see Khaled over here. If you go to his IG, you see he used to do DoorDash. He got with me one on one. He got a 50K Chase Business credit card. He's been making money with credit repair and funding. You see Ali over here. If you don't know about him, we did a video how we helped them scale to over 100K a month, right? So I've just helped hella people. If you see, oh, I'm moving that shit over. If you see Brian over here, I did a video with him. This is all documented. He made $7,500 in a single day just from one connection I gave him, right? You see over here, 35K approval. That's my student Pedro, right? 35K approval, $3,500, made in a day. He partnered with me on that one, but still, 75,000 approval over there. I already showed y'all Brian. And then this is like if you apply by yourself online, just to reemphasize our system and how it works. $11,000 made in a day for my student Ron. I did a video with him as well, right? I already put that out publicly. I made $27,500 in a single day from funding one client. I did that publicly, right? I made an additional 20K in a day from funding a client. I did that publicly. So when you're a credit repair business owner that's consistently under 10K a month, and then when you're coming to someone like me that's exceeded everything that you've done, and we're talking about a one-time investment of 10K that you can even break up to get started, your mindset is fucked up, right? Think about it. Let's even say I help you add an extra 10K per month to your business, right? That's $120,000 per year. I'm not taking equity out of your business. For you to be like 10K is a lot to invest to make an additional 10K per month. You're literally slow and not looking at the map, or you're just, I don't know what to call it. Like you're just stupid, bro. All right, so in the Orlando 50,000 funded, so you know that's a $5,000 mission. So this is my issue when poor people book calls, right? Like I said, I'm making this video. One out of every 100 of you that's gonna watch this video, you're gonna be the 1% I'm talking to. These people, like the students I showed y'all. And if you go to my channel, you look at more of the playlist, you'll be able to see people I've helped to have that 1% mentality that I'm looking for. I'm not telling you to already be doing 10, 20, 30K a month out the gate, even though we do help those people as well, right? But I'm saying that if you're someone that's doing less than 10K a month, you got to at least be like me when I was working my 9 to 5, right? I had a 6 figure chemical engineering job while I was building my credit repair business. You can't just be trying to do all this business shit and then you don't have a 9 to 5, or your 9 to 5 paying you $2 an hour. You know what I'm saying? This shit costs money. If you want rewards, you have to invest in yourself. All right, hold on. Let's talk about what I was saying here. Oh, yeah. So, just to reemphasize, I make these videos for people that are like me, that work the high paying 9 to 5 while they're trying to build their credit business. Or you don't even have to be working a 9 to 5, but you have to have some type of money. You have to have some type of credit. You have to have something. You can't just be in the mindset of, I want to make 100K a month, but 10,000 to pay you one time is too much. This is how these poor people operate, you know? So I'm making this video to attract my ideal clients that are watching this and then repel y'all poor ass motherfuckers that's watching this too. You know what I'm saying? So I need y'all to understand, right? I need y'all to understand. My issue is not with poor people. My issue is when those of y'all that are poor make me know that you exist. I don't want to know you exist if you're poor. Don't get your money and then come to us for business. Don't be wasting our time hopping on calls and just having all these random ass poorness, you know? So yeah, if you're making less than 10K a month right now, the reality is you're stuck for a reason. You see the client results if you've watched my videos. You see the client results and they got out of being stuck because they made a bet on themselves and they're like me. I pose these videos for them. I'm not posing these videos for poor people, bro. Like I don't know how else to paint it. So this person that I spoke with on a call, they said they're doing less than 10K a month. Keep in mind, less than 10K a month. They said that they want to scale to 20K a month. 20K a month is $240,000 per year, right? If we're doing the math correctly, or it is damn near a quarter million per year. Okay, cool. That's cool, right? I get it. That's a good goal to have. But my issue is if you're booking a call with someone that's already exceeded where you're trying to go, and then you're saying one payment of $10,000 is too much, to get there. Especially when there's payment like plan options. Obviously, the people that pay in full right away, they're more committed, and that's they tend to make the best case scenario in terms of the testimonials. But at the end of the day, you're trying to make a quarter million in your business. You're trying to get somewhere where you've never been, but you're saying that, oh, it's too much and all that, right? You're stuck at less than 10K a month for a reason. So I hope this video can add some clarity to confusion because we don't want any of y'all poors to be booking calls with us. If you're a credit repair business owner, I got so many free videos. Just don't waste our time and be booking a call. But booking a call is for people that are like me, people that are like my students I posted, people that will not make no excuse, people that are not on their last dollar. Do not book a call if you're on your last dollar. I don't want anyone begging me like a toddler, what's the guarantee is going to work? I need to talk to my wife because this is my last dollars and everything, right? I'm making these videos for people that are like me, the engineers, the people in tech. I don't know whether 9 to 5s make money. Maybe you're an attorney. I don't know, but maybe you're in a different business. You made money. You see someone like the credit Don. I did the case study with him. Young kid. He already got a whole separate business renting out cars. He been had motion, right? It's just he got with us and he got the blueprint he needed to get those results, and he made it happen. He didn't beg me talking about, oh, the 10K is too much and all that. These be grown ass men that's doing this. Like this shit's ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully this video made it make sense. Hopefully this video will allow y'all to know. Don't book the call until you're ready. Your credit card in hand, cash in hand. You got the money and everything. You're mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually ready to invest in yourself. With that being said, those of y'all that's my ideal client, I will have a link in the description. Poor people, please do not book a call. I don't want to know you exist. Just take advantage of the free information. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.